Peaceful and easy access to Lake Palestine. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home with a 2-car carport in Bullard Schools sits on approximately 1 acre. Included are 2 workshops/storage buildings with electricity. The larger one is insulated. Some updates include new AC and furnace, newer roof, larger master bedroom added providing space for a home office or exercise room, water heater, re-paved driveways, and thermal tint front door screen. Nice open feel with wood burning stove in living area. Good storage throughout. Come see. Come by.